Located in the heart of Porto, Portugal, the house in Rua Direita de Francos was created in response to a family's request for a functional and comfortable single-story home on a 341 square meter plot. With a built area of 185 square meters, the project, designed by MADE Office and WeStudio, showcases a design approach that is both sensitive to the environmental context and responsive to the needs of its residents, while thoughtfully manipulating light, space, and materials. One of the main architectural decisions was to reorient the original house that previously stood on the site. The new structure now faces an inner garden, creating a private and peaceful atmosphere amidst the urban density. The building adopts an L shape, where the bedrooms face east to capture the morning light, while the living and dining areas open to the south to maximize natural daylight throughout the day. With a single-level layout and a gabled roof, the architects cleverly used the vertical space to introduce a mezzanine connected to the main area. This mezzanine is flexible in function and can be used as a study, playroom, or workspace, providing diverse uses within the site's limited footprint. This demonstrates how design can adapt to a family's dynamic needs without the necessity of adding vertical floors. A unique strategy in this project lies in how the new structure completes the old wall facing the street. The new volume is built upon the existing foundation while maintaining the visual heritage of the neighborhood. The height difference between the old and new parts is kept consistent, highlighting the architectural layering. Brick material used on the facade reinforces this narrative through varied patterning, blending a contemporary feel with respect for the past. play of textures and materials continues indoors. Inside, the concept is extended through the use of different materials and floor levels to separate the main areas from the mezzanine. This transition not only introduces visual dynamics but also helps organize the spatial functions more efficiently, making the living experience more intuitive and comfortable. Natural lighting is a key element in the home's design. Every space, including the bathrooms and circulation areas, benefits from daylight through skylights and light tunnels. Social areas like the living room receive dual light sources, large windows facing the garden and additional openings on the west side. This variation in light direction creates a shifting atmosphere throughout the day, adding depth and warmth to the interior. Overall, the house in Rua Direita de Francos is an excellent example of how an urban home can be designed with a focus on privacy, comfort, and connection to nature. With its efficient layout, clever use of vertical space, and optimized natural lighting, this home stands as an inspiring reference for anyone seeking a single-story dwelling that is simple yet rich in spatial experience.